Welcome back to another episode, guys. This weekend, I am here in Lockhart. I know that I said I was supposed to be in Baffin Bay, but with the crazy winds and the bad weather, we decided to make a quick change of plans, and me and John are over here at his Lockhart property doing some turkey hunting. Say hello.
Oh yeah.
We are up on the deck doing some scouting, looking around, scanning these fields to see if we can find some turkeys. We're going to go make a few stands and walk the majority of the property and do some calling. Supposedly the turkeys have been real vocal around here in the last week, so I'm very excited. I'm hoping that this weekend will finally be my weekend to put a turkey on the ground.
About time.
Because I've had some really bad luck with turkeys, and I'm hoping that we can break that this weekend. If you guys haven't already, go check out Fearless Life Outdoors. Our channel will be linked down below. They've been working on a lot of videos this last week and having some computer troubles, but they're getting it all worked out. Yeah, just a couple. Sounds like me. I'm having troubles with some of my stuff too, but we're doing our best, and hopefully we can put a big turkey on the ground this weekend.
Right there. Hey. Set on the ground right there. Strut. Down. Tom, strut right over.
Yeah, I see him.
Call out him again. He's strutting. He's right in on you. That's a big Tom.
Maybe if we go this way, we can wait till his butt's facing us and then stand up and shoot him.
Yeah, whatever you want.
Go around.
That's too much pride. They couldn't hear it. I think if you do anything, you get real low and you go straight here, right at him, and then just get up and shoot him. Because I'd crawl right here, and I'd crawl 30 yards. Then you're going to be 30 yards from him. Because I can stand up and film from here. Like, I can get up. But if you just crawl, get all the way to that edge, you know? Take this in front of you. Put this in front of you. Because he'll... Yes! Heck.
Oh,
Come on.
Oh my God.
Attaboy.
oh man.
That is freaking awesome.
Crawl up there.
Dude, you smoked him. He's so done. He's dying right there.
Dude.
Woo!
Are you serious?
What time is it right now? Oh, here's another one. Look at Turkey go. Royce. Oh, it's a hand. Never mind.
Oh.
I was like, dude, 7:25. Done.
That's been.
We couldn't have drawn that up any better.
That was literally one of the toughest hunts I think I've ever been on.
Turkeys are smart, man.
Dude, their eyesight, incredible. And he stood there facing that way. And
I was sitting there,
picked
it's
it
like, you better shoot him. I know he's at 40, like, shoot him.
up. He would not. He would not turn and get away from me. And as soon as I saw him turn away, I was like, oh, here we go. Like that.
He died right there. Done.
Texas hard shot, man.
Dude, that's some. Wait till you see all this footage. It's freaking
Dude.
awesome.
Oh, this is by far one of the coolest hunts I think I've ever been on. That was so cool, man.
I can't believe we were able to get like from all the way over there to here without him busting like that. In case you're wondering, he's got at least a 10-inch beard, by the way.
Really?
He's a freaking stud.
I wasn't looking. I
Yeah.
just knew he was
In case you're
a
wondering, I zoomed in. He's pretty darn solid. Freaking epic hunt, guys. Well, so we got a beautiful Sunday morning here.
sunrise, I mean,
That's what I'm saying, man. Where else would we want to be on a Sunday morning?
it turned out to be a beautiful day.
This is kind of like our church, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jesus died. Turkey died.
Sun rose again.
The sun rose.
I want to see this beard he's got on him because I know it's good.
Yep.
Once it dries out, it'll look a lot bigger too, like wider.
Right.
But
That is good.
it's every bit of 10, 9 or 10.
What happened to him up here?
I don't know. Losing some of his feathers. Probably old.
Yeah, look, he's missing all of his feathers down here too. Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Look at those birds.
He's got. No, I'm saying he's old. Look how. Let me show this first one. Look at those spurs. Good. Yeah, no, I mean he's got a 10-inch beard.
Yeah, he's got a good beard.
You can tell he's old because of that. Look at all that in there. Yeah, he does. He did lose a bunch of his feathers. That's crazy.
I wonder if he lost those whenever he was dragging himself this way, or
Maybe. I mean, he lost quite a few feathers over by where he shot him.
A little wet.
a little wet.
Yeah.
That's
Me
all
too.
right.
This has been by far one of the funnest and most tough hunts that I think I've ever been a part of. I've hunted high fence, low fence, all kinds of different animals, and this one takes the cake for being the absolute most tough that I've ever been on. Last night, tried to run out here in this field and shoot this gobbler last night. 'Cause we
Probably
could hear
this
him.
exact one.
Yeah, yeah. We could hear him, but we couldn't see him, and then he eventually roosted up, and I also didn't have my release, so I ended up leaving it back at camp.
Freaking Bradley.
Yeah,
again.
freaking Bradley, yeah. But we decided to get up super early this morning and come out here, and we got out into this field just before daylight, and we could hear him up in the trees already. As soon as we pulled up and got out of the trucks, he was already gobbling and getting after it. So we saw him, actually Roy saw him fly down out of the roost, and he literally stayed right back over here, and he covered probably a 20-yard by 10-yard little rectangle, and he would not move from it.
Strutting back and forth.
The entire time, our entire
Yeah.
You'll see in the video,
300
like for like
crawl.
10 minutes, he just struts back and forth. I mean, it's
He was
crazy.
completely puffed up almost the entire time, just gobbling and gobbling and gobbling. And so we were posted up down here about 200 yards away, and he would not budge at all. He was going to stay there. So we made the move, and you guys saw that we covered about 200 yards, and most of it was crawling like this, or on my belly crawling, trying to get behind these little bitty mesquites. But man, that was so much fun. Huge thanks to this guy and this guy. I mean, I couldn't have done it without him. And whenever I shot this turkey and turned around with my arms in the air and looked back and saw them with smiles on their face, like that was it. That was so awesome. Makes it so much more fun whenever somebody's there to enjoy it with you. And praise the Lord for another safe hunt. I'm just glad we didn't crawl into rattlesnakes or anything, because that would have been bad.
A little bit detrimental to the hunt, a little bit.
Rattlesnakes or anything else.
Right. But that was awesome.
It's
That
your
was so
first
much
turkey,
fun.
right?
Yeah, my first turkey. And they were trying to hand me the shotgun, and I'm like, no, I don't want the shotgun. Get away.
We're like, we're at 70 yards. You can kill it right now.
Full choke, number 3 shot. No, I'm gonna do it with a bow.
It was just inching up the last couple meters.
Yeah.
We were just
Now the problem is you set the bar pretty high.
Yeah, I did.
It's like a 10-inch beard on this turkey,
It's
so
gonna be hard to top.
it's gonna be hard to top. You're off to a good start.
But the shot ended up being, the last time I ranged him, it was 37 yards, and he was walking away. So I just threw it to my 40-yard pin and let it fly, and I hit him right where I wanted to hit him. And so it ended up putting him down quick, and that's a hunt right there that I will never forget. That was awesome for sure.
I think that was just awesome, just laying on our bellies, hunkered down.
Yeah.
Well, I was
Just
like 40
waiting
yards
for it.
behind you, just watching you, just like, what are they doing? Like,
Yeah.
I know he's right there. I know they could shoot him. I realized that you're waiting for him to turn. I was just
Right.
sitting there. I'm like,
Yeah, that was another thing, is like he was looking this way and we're looking at him this way. We had to wait for him to turn around and not have his eyes on us. So then that's when I stood up or got up on my knees and ranged him and went ahead and shot. But yeah, we had to wait forever, and I almost got up too early because he was kind of starting to turn away, and so I started to get up, and
I saw it. I was like,
could hear
no,
a voice behind me, like, no,
don't do it.
I
So I
took my
stopped.
safety off and I was like, God, if he flies.
You better shoot him. But
But as he was headed this way, I was headed up, and so as soon as he stopped, I stopped, and I ended up having to put my leg back down and wait on him. But
well, you were within 40 yards for probably 10 minutes
at
before you shot him. I
we
think.
laid there forever.
Yeah.
It seemed
Yeah.
like.
I had to shorten that up in the video a little bit.
Yeah.
You were gonna get bored just seeing you sit there looking at a turkey
Right.
and look at you. But
It's like
It's so cool.
pulling our heads up and periscope it a little bit.
I was
Hunkering
just
back
hoping
down.
the turkey wasn't gonna see one of our heads pop up
Yeah,
at him the way
right.
we were looking at him.
Or whenever I was holding the fan up above.
I
and
think
he
that,
sees your
dude.
fingers.
I think the fan made a difference.
Oh,
I
absolutely.
think that helped us get a lot closer because what we did, in case you'll see in the video, we took an old turkey fan from a turkey I shot a couple weeks ago and just held it in front of us as we moved up, and that probably helped with him not thinking we were, person or
coming to kill him.
coming to kill him, which is what we were doing. But
I mean, we covered the first 160 meters and nothing flat. And then the last 40 was just crawling around,
Yeah.
hands, knees, sliding, stomach. But
All in all, it was an absolute fantastic weekend. We had so much fun being out here and chasing them. And like I said, this is my first turkey ever, and I couldn't be more excited. Like, it's an absolute stud. So if you guys haven't already, their channel will be linked down below. It's Fearless Life Outdoors. And also, if you guys want to check out my Instagram, it'll be linked down below as well at 4B Bowhanging Outdoors. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of the love and support. I think today, Sunday, which I don't know what the exact date is. Let me look. April 15th. I think
we knew that.
we're going to hit 10,000 subscribers, and I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys. And up and coming in the next couple of videos will be the giveaway details on that. And I'll also update you guys with the 9,000 subscribers, that giveaway as well. Well, Okie Boys Unlimited, you are the winner of the broadheads. I told you guys that I would be doing the giveaway announcement in this video, and so this is it. I've actually been in contact with these guys up there in Oklahoma, so I will direct message you since I already have your information and let you know. Guys, I appreciate all the love and support. This video was so much fun. We had a freaking blast. But we hit 10K yesterday, and I want to thank you guys so much for supporting me and helping make this happen. It's been an incredible ride, and I'm ready for what's to come. I've got a couple more turkey hunts coming up, and hopefully I can fill out some tags. It's going to be a really good time this up and coming weekend. It's looking like it's going to be another one of those hot spots with a bunch of turkeys ready to fight, and some more hog hunting, because this place that we're going this weekend is absolutely covered up in hogs. I apologize for the little bit longer video, but I think it was totally worth it. And for my first turkey, it was one of those experiences that I'll never forget. I appreciate each and every one of you. Love you guys. Y'all are absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for all the support, and I'll catch you on the next one.